Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, for which you see the suggestions above, we discussed about India deploying the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, the Nirbhay subsonic cruise missile, and Akash surface to air missile systems along the line of actual control to tackle China threats. Both the militaries have been well prepared to boost the tactics and power by doing such deployments and installations near the border area. The news which is being celebrated from China's defense side now is the successful trials of the AR-500C plateau-focused unmanned helicopter. The successful completion of the testing of the AR-500C unmanned helicopters is hinting that China would be very soon inducting them. The test flight of this AR-500C drone chopper completed a series of tests including climbing, hovering, rotating and other operational maneuvers before steadily landing in the surface. The test flight was done at the Docheng Yeding Airport, which is world's highest civilian airport with an elevation of 4,411 meters, and the test was done for approximately 15 minutes. The demonstration of AR-500C's ability to fly in all types of terrain is something very vital for China during the standoff in eastern Ladakh with India. This test flight showed that AR-500C can carry a payload of 80 kg and fly for more than 5 hours at an altitude of 4,411 meters. According to some sources, this helicopter is able to take off from an elevation of 5,000 meters and has a flight ceiling of 6,700 meters. This unmanned chopper has an endurance of 5 hours, maximum speed of 170 kilometers per hour, and a maximum takeoff weight of 500 kilograms. If you remember, this unmanned helicopter of China conducted its maiden flight in eastern China earlier this year, and it performed a series of maneuvers displaying its unmatched capabilities. According to reports, the AR-500C is equipped with a powerful engine and specially designed rotors which can be able to withstand the light aerial conditions of Tibet and Ladakh. If this unmanned helicopter gets inducted into China's defense, it might be used for various missions like reconnaissance, electronic disruption, target indication, fire strikes, cargo delivery, to name a few of the missions. The AR-500C could be a powerful addition to the PLA arsenal as it is expected to carry heavier payloads, have longer endurance, fly higher, and be more versatile than the drones currently in service. According to different sources and various reports, it looks like the concept of this unmanned helicopter has been derived from Northrop Grumman's MQ-8 Fire Scout unmanned autonomous helicopter. This is not something new for everyone because we all know China is specialized in doing reverse engineering or to copy some other country's technology and build their weapons and devices. All we can do is to just wait and see how much this particular unmanned helicopter of China is going to help them in facing India. So that was a quick update on China's successful trial of unmanned helicopter AR-500C. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.